to another live stream. Hopefully everybody is having a great morning so far. I got to close out of some contracts over here. Let's see what this is going to get me over here. Let's see. Bing, 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 bing. Hold on. Let's see. Filled. There we go. All right, everybody. Hopefully everybody's having a great morning so far. This has been a wild day. This has been a really, really, really wild day. So hopefully everybody's having a good time. How you guys doing? Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. We're going to be having some fun today. So, I mean, we absolutely slaughtered it in the market on the morning stream. And it looks like we're going to continue to do that as well around here. So, woo! Here we go. Hi, Rans. How you doing, buddy? Squirrel! What's up, buddy? Dude, I played this little cross up here. It was pretty sweet. Again, guys, hit that like button on the way in if you guys have not already. What is this shopping tab? That's kind of weird. What up? How you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are having a good day over here. Woo, Spy. Woo, Spy. Spy's just moving for literally no reason here. So, YOLO, I guess. This is definitely not a recession. But, like, it is, though. Like, if you think about it, it really is. It just, like, really is, though. It, like, genuinely is a recession. All right, guys. So AMD moving back up here. SPY looks like it wants to get a little jumpy. I played this cross here for like the next Wednesday expirations on SPY. Went a little bit bigger. Took like 5-6% on it. Not too bad. Apple's ripping. Ooh. Apple. Oh, we can get Amy up here too. Hold on. How's AMC doing? Nah, that's no fun. Yeah, Apple's ripping up here. Ooh, I like this actually. That actually looks sexy. Hello, everybody. Guys, make sure you hit that like button on the way in over here. It helps out a whole lot with the Goat. Apple actually looks very nice here. Why is Apple? Interesting. Apple going boom. SPY going boom. Everything starting to go boom over here, man. I like it. Let's see. If Apple can break out of this little level here and start to run, that would be a bit sexy. Not going to lie. Not going to lie. Took 140% on Baba puts earlier. Thanks. You're welcome. That was kind of nasty. Those were dirty. Yeah. I mean, I didn't tell you guys when I got my Babas because, I mean, that's not allowed. But we were looking at Baba a lot. So congratulations to those of you guys that hit it. Where's Coinbase? Baba's coming back up here. Yeah, Coin looks interesting. Oh, fuck off. SPY. Fucking dumb. Good morning, SV. What's up, Ryan? How you doing, buddy? How you doing? All right, guys. Keep hitting that like on the way in if you guys have not already. SPY's looking to get out of this box here. All right. All right, so SPY rejected 402. Not really. It looks like it wants to head up here. So, again, don't force anything, team. There's a lot of wild things happening over here. Tesla's ripping now. Dude, I wanted Tesla so bad. I just bitched out on it. I wanted this. This right here was what I was looking for this morning. I was like, I want Tesla from 8:30 to 8:20. And then it did it, and I was like, damn it, I knew it. What do I think about this data? What data? What data? Took Baba for 108%, 39%, 15%, 3 trades. In Facebook for 105%. Great morning so far. Carl, you were playing the same stuff that I was playing, dude. You were playing the same stuff that I was playing, buddy. Sam Lee says quick 14%, 5-minute cross played on weeklies. Don't tell SCV. Yeah, Sam, I went a little bit. I mean, I went a little bit bigger, but I played next Wednesdays. So this looked like a nice move up here. So, I mean, I got it where on this candle here, this is where I got these SPY contracts. And then I wrote it up to, I believe, yeah, on this candle or one of these candles here, before it started to come back down. At this point during the day, when you're already really green, there's no real reason to push it like this. So I just took my quick gain and just gave myself a little bit more cash to play with going into the rest of the day or tomorrow or whenever it comes back. You played Wednesdays too this morning on the way down from yesterday's highs. Nice, Sam. Yeah, I mean, I was just trying to day trade them. I wanted to keep the stop really tight on it. So I was like, yeah, I don't know. But coin actually looks a little interesting here. Hold on. Give me 1 second. I got to answer the phone. Dude, I answered the call and I'm like, why? Whenever it's a Connecticut number, I'm like, that's interesting. And it was a bank calling me and asking me if I would like a financial advisor. And I was like, nah, I think I'm good. It's like, no thanks, pal. All right, guys. Keep hitting that like button on the way in, you slackers. Apple popping up here. Apple moving. There we go. Apple, nice little move here. Let's see if it breaks out of this little zone. SPY moving up. I should have just told him, use 1348, bro. You'll do so much better. You'll do so much better. Let's see. All right. It's fine. Apple looking good here. See if Apple can break out of here. Apple something a little cross here. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Portfolio up 5.5%. Plenty of settle cash left. Should I take a break? I would say that's not the worst idea in the world. Let's see. AMC pulling back up here. Let's see. Let's see. Here comes Apple back up. Come on. You want to see if Amy can break VWAP? It'd be nice if it did, man. It'd be great if it did. Playing to the levels. Yeah. Let's see if Apple can get a little juice here. Let's get juicy, Apple. How does maintenance man get into my new place? I don't know. I think he does. I do need to call the maintenance man, though. There's some maintenance that needs to be done around here. So what Apple's trying to do here is break out of this little zone here at basically 150, 650. It's basically what you're looking at here on Apple. SPY could easily shark down here, though. So be careful. Does anyone refer to you as STV outside of YouTube? I mean, Gabe calls me STV. TMI calls me STV. My friends typically don't. Spy Little Red here. Let's see. Now just waiting for everything to die. Well, Apple has earnings today, so Apple could go on a nice little run up here. It's 27 cents in the red right now. It could do a nice little red-green move if the market breaks out of this little box here, which would be nice. Apple could just go bing, which would be cool. Mikey doesn't count? Mikey definitely doesn't count. Spy moving down, Apple moving down. Let's see here. Just got done with the dentist appointment. So sad you missed the Spy run. It was a tough one. I mean, the cross was great. The cross was really nice on it. But other than that, it's like, yeah, we'll see. Amy rejected at VWAP. Yeah, everything's pulling back a little bit here. Coin coming down. You would have previously bought that Amy call, but have learned much better. That is the point, man. All right, let's see here. If you guys do want to hop in there, let's see. I know a lot of you guys already are, but for those of you guys that are not, I mean, we're offering you a metric boatload of stuff. All the live streams, all the curriculum videos. I'll pin this to the top of the live chat if you guys are interested. I mean, come make money in the market, man. I mean, we make it very, very simple. Trading's never been easier with 1348. It's awesome. Was Invictus killing it today? Yes. Yes, it did. It hit the Tesla one that I wanted. What else did it hit? The only one that I saw was Tesla on it. It probably hit some other stuff. I was just kind of doing other things. I wasn't really using Invictus all that much today. All right, people. You like button slackers. I see you guys. I see what you're doing over here. All right, Spy's headed up here again. Where's Tesla? Coinbase bounced. Is Tesla over resistance? Oh, it's trying. No, it's trying. Let's see. What's Invictus? Okay, so we are the team have created this new way to alert with 1348 and with the market. So it has a little bit of extra juice in it. It can get you in early on a lot of the really, really solid moves. So that is in like the later half of the testing phase right now, and it's gonna be rolled out to you guys in the near future. I've been using it. If you guys have been following me on Twitter, I've been posting all the Invictus games. They're fucking crazy. I told you guys, retail. I mean, we're changing the game for retail. Seth, thanks for the super, buddy. Hey, brother, good morning. Can you check Tesla? You think it's a good time to buy options? Tesla calls for next week. If you're looking at it on a swing, let's see. A swing trade on Tesla. Let's see how this would look on the 4 hour. I mean, that's probably where I would look at it. I mean, you're breaking out of this resistance level. It's got the cross. It's above the 200 EMA. It's above the 13. It's rimming. I don't think that's the worst idea in the world. But you have to have good risk management. Like you're going to subject yourself to that overnight risk, and it could either rip up on you one night or it could easily come back down with the market being so volatile. So you have to either size your position enough that you don't really care about that overnight move, or you have to buy deeper in the money or a lot more time to make those moves not affect your contract all that much. That's what I would do. All right, people. Spy moving up. Yeah, I don't really see this move on SPY was great. I don't really trust SPY up in these levels here until it breaks 402.77 and yesterday's high of 402.88. I just why trust this move? It doesn't look like it wants to be trusted. Where's like Amazon? Amazon has earnings, Intel has earnings. Those are some other things we got to look at too. So Amazon, I mean, it's rallied back up. It's hunting for a cross here. Intel, I almost wouldn't touch anything. Look at the look at the move that the SPY has just went on. It's huge back up. I would say it's more likely than not that it falls from here, but you never know. It could always just rip up randomly. What does deeper in the money mean? So if the stock is trading at, let's say 100, you're buying call contracts, like in the money would be at 90. Out of the money would be above the current trading price for calls. For puts, it's the opposite. Good morning, SV. Sold my AMC Leap at the top this morning, then bought another $15 Leap near the bottom. Fuck yeah, dude. Sir Artorias, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. What's good, brother? Just hopping in to show some support for the channel. Sir, thanks, bud. I appreciate that. Yeah, shout out to all you guys that send in supers. You guys are awesome. I appreciate that. Hopefully you guys are making some more money too. I mean, these crosses have been just nasty. Yeah, SPY's trying to do it here. What else are we looking at? Tesla. I wanted that fucking Tesla move, bro. This one. What are the benefits of buying deep in the money? You're more mimicking owning 100 shares. The contracts are going to be less volatile. Let's see. So like deep in the money leaps, you can essentially treat as like leverage without taking a loan. Alrighty, folks. Yeah, here comes SPY, man. Let's see. All right. No expiration on shares. True. But you can lever up. What do you think like Nancy does? All right. Here we go. SPY's on a moon mission here. It's trying to get above that 402.88. So it's like 23 cents away. No. Rejected here. Amazon moving up a little bit. I might just be done for the day, man. I mean, I'm up like greatly exceeded the target for the day. Why push it? Like at that point, it's like when you're green, why keep pushing it? Break the day high on the SPY. Did it? 402.77 is the high. It's hovering at 402.50 right now. I don't think I'm going to touch anything up here. Was thinking the same thing unless everything starts to die. Yeah, I mean, we gotta kind of wait and see what it's gonna do, but everything kind of looks deep. Like it looks. This move was crazy. Sev, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. One other question: if I want to enter Tesla today and exit today, do you think it's still a good idea to get calls for next week, or should I get calls for this week? Calls for next week are going to move a little bit slower. So if Tesla goes against you, you're not going to get stopped out as quick. Typically, when I'm day trading, I'll trade the next weeks for two reasons. One, if they wildly go in my favor, I can make them free and hold them. Two, if they go against me, they won't be down as much as if I were to be trading weeklies. So you have to be very, very, very careful. Let's see. All right, guys. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. You never understand that logic. Why push it tomorrow then? What do you mean? What do you mean, Ben? Oxy crossing? Which way? Oxy's not crossing. What do you mean? What the fuck is with SPY? It's recession day, bro. According to the Fed website, Fed balance sheet rose $8 billion. No, I know. They're not selling assets. If something is good, a good trade, take it. That's what I'm saying. Unless something looks really good, I'm not going to take it. like this SPY move looked really I said I was done back here, then this SPY move looked really good, and I was like, okay, well, I'll take it on this candle, and boom, play it up. That's why I took the SPY trade. But I also got a lot more time on it, so I was like, all right, well, we'll see. Bad news is good news right now. I know, man. We're in unreasonable land. It's opposite season. Triple top on SPY. Yeah, sort of. I do see that. Exxon could run. Yeah. All right, hold on. Give me 1 second, people. I'll be right back. All right, folks. SPY. Where are we headed? Where are we headed? Let's see. Your EMAs are a little different. Wonder why? Make sure you have extended hours on. You need extended hours. All right. Ooh, is this? Oh, he's playing fucking uranium? That's interesting. Let's see here. All right, guys. Keep hitting that like on the way in. And special shout out to Sir Artorius and Sev. Thank you guys for the supers. I appreciate that, guys. Charge point toss. Is it running back up? Because it was nasty. Yeah, flatline. Charge point, pretty flat over here. I probably wouldn't touch it. Oops. You have no faith in SPY? Why? I mean, I get what you're saying, but it's you got to realize that these are a lot of irrational moves that are happening. If you look at SPY on the 5-minute here, and the daily's about to cross on the SPY too. So it's like, we'll see. RSI is cooling a little bit here with this move. You got resistance right here. If it breaks this resistance and holds, it's probably going to shoot, dude. Let's see. Bear market rallies are the most powerful rallies. Let's see how high we go. 407, 410, then 416, 420. See, I think 410, the last time that we did this, the last time that we did this little bear market rally, we hovered like 410 to 416. I feel like we would settle lower than this, but we will see. Ooh, what is this? Hold on. What the? Stop. Stop. Oh, these are flying in right now. All right, let's see. There it goes. Where's Apple? Not moving. Apple is not really moving on this. SPY is moving. So this Amazon's coming up a little here. And then Tessie. Did Tessie break resistance? Nope. Tessie didn't do it either. Why are so many charts identical? Because I think it's 80% of the market is traded by algorithms. So they're all going to trade the same thing. 5% on SPY calls. Nice. That's what I had on the fucking here it goes. I almost want it to retest. I don't know if it will, though. This could just shoot from here. No, they're not getting me on this. Still going here. Amazon pop. Tesla pop. worth it. Like, SPY's up 0.5% here. I want it to retest and bounce. That's what I want. I want to retest and bounce. I don't know if it will, though. What else are we looking at here? Apple. Did Apple finally get a little move or no? Because Apple was right at that level. Yeah, a little bit, but that's not much on Apple. SPY kind of forming a cup and handle. I mean, this is kind of a janky cup and handle. We'd have to go so far back to look at some of these supportive resistance levels. This is kind of crazy. Where's coin? Oh, there's coin. Oh, we're doing the acid screen. Hold on. Hold on, team. Let's see where we're getting here. My hair is all over the place today. Nice. Go team. SPY, you fucking crackhead. SPY, you're being a crackhead. Crackhead SPY. There goes Apple. Amy not moving. SPY is just on a moon mission here. Jesus, dude. This is wild. Let's see. I don't know. A firm crossed up on the 5. I saw that. Saw that. Let's see. Yeah. Wow. It's right at this resistance level here. So SPY's over here screwing around. 403.70 is what Gabe called this morning. Yeah, we hit 403.61. Let's see if we can break that 403.70. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. If you guys have not already, this market is on a little bit of crack today. Not gonna lie. A little bit of crack. 60. Ooh, hello. A fur moving. How's NVIDIA look? You got upside to here, maybe. Here's what I want to do. SPY, here it comes. Here she goes, Nancy. Nancy's trying here. Doesn't have the juice, though. It doesn't look like. Let's see. VWAP on what? 40407 is fib. Okay. Oh, Amy at VWAP. Yeah. SPY still chugging along here. Coin is looking interesting here, man. NVIDIA doesn't look like it has the juice right now. That was not what we wanted. SPY pop. There goes Nancy. There goes coin. I mean, coin, It honestly could do something here. Unless SPY dies, which it could. Be careful. Nancy coming up, 179.52. You're watching this right here, 180.50. SPY down. Uber looking spicy. They're all looking spicy. Everything looks like it could get some juice here. SPY didn't get it. 403.94 rejected. Coming back down to 403.50 here. Can we not call it Nancy? It reminds me of Pelosi. That's why we call it Nancy, because it reminds us of Pelosi. Where's Facebook? Facebook? Yeah, Facebook headed up here. Hello. SPY looks like it's fizzling here a little bit. Let's see. Coin looking interesting here. Yeah. Facebook's hunting 160 here. Shark on SPY. Ah! SPY just makes you laugh. Yeah, it's hilarious, dude. Let's see if it bounces at 403. Yeah, a little bounce here. Watch Facebook break. What is this? Yeah, it looks good here on the way back up. Let's see. We are officially in a recession. Super bullish. Dude, I know. Isn't that like wild? Let's see. Facebook trying here. SPY trying to get back above 403.50. Facebook trying to get above 160. Let's see. Facebook's just supposed to be tanking. Well, Facebook tanked this morning. We caught this move down early, which was great. That was a sexy move there. Let's see. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. If you guys have not already, we got a bunch of slackers in here today. Bunch of slackers. SPY hunting. We got 1 minute left on this candle. If it closes above 403.50, that'd be nice. I don't know if it's gonna, though. Facebook's just getting rejected at 160 here. SPY back down. It's trying here. Next level resistance on IWM. I mean, the day high, 180, 185.44. Yesterday's high, what's this? 184.26. Somewhere around there. SPY's just kind of chilling here. What is this crazy spot? It's just wild, dude. Like, this is just like a recession. Bing, rip. Like, this is a nice little run it's been on here. Let's see if it continues. If it continues, and Brett, it might. SPY's holding nicely. Facebook's looking interesting here, too. We need some more Hulk candles out of the SPY. Just boom, up to 404. If it breaks 404, it could get dirty to the upside, but we will see, won't we? That's not good. $400% on Microsoft calls. Jesus, bro. Good job. Good job. All right, let's see what SPY's going to do here. 403.38. It's just hovering that right around this level here. Let's see if it gets a bounce. Coin's getting fucked with here. Two hour, 4 hour, and daily on SPY. Let me look. I mean, 2 hour, it looks good. 4 hour, I know it looks good. And then the daily, it's about to cross. Daily's hunting across here on the SPY. Let's see if we get a nice move above 403.50 here. That's really what we need. Digging the new setup? Thank you, man. I appreciate that. All right, here comes the SPY. Come on. Kathy pulled out of coin. Good for her. Yep, here we go. SPY is scaring you. SPY is pretty scary right now. Not gonna lie. SPY is pretty scary. But it could just be one of those days where it just goes. It's kind of what you're looking at. You're like, huh, is this just gonna go? They usually go up after Kathy gets out. That's hurtful. Imagine that. Everybody just buys after Kathy just leaves. All right, coin looking spicy here. You just pulled out of Kathy? Oh, nice. That's a comment there. All right. It's flickering right around 403.50 right now. SPY's dicking around. Facebook's dicking around. Let's see what we get. All right, team. I would love to see 404. Just bing right up. Let's see. AMD running. Oh, what a boom on coin. That was nice. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. All right, is AMD going? AMD above resistance here. SPY looking okay. Coin looking like it wants to break here. You could watch this. Actually, that's already above here. 61.36 you could watch on coin. AMD, no. SPY looking okay. Where is Facebook? Hunting 160. Here goes coin. Facebook looks good here. Coin looks good. SPY starting to try to make that move up. If Facebook breaks 160, it could break out. Watch coin over 65 50. SPY is hunting new day highs right now. There goes Facebook. There goes. Yeah, Facebook's still above 160 here. Coin, there it goes again. Come on. Facebook getting a pop. Facebook, nice candle here. Coin rip. SPY not doing it, but Facebook and coin look sexy here. Come on. Nice. Coin might have the juice. We'll see. Facebook pop. There it goes again. Let's see. Coin options are pricey. They're okay. They're not the best. They're not the worst, though. Fucking Facebook. Go, baby. Coin above 61 would be really interesting here. Coin gets a pop above 61. That's going to be dirty. There goes SPY. Yeah, here it comes. Come on, coin. There it is above 61. Let's see if it can break highs. SPY rip. Oh, the spreads on it are horrendous. Oh my God. Wait, what? Oh, that's why. Cool. All right, let's see. Next level on spy. Squirrel, what is it above that fib? We just hit it. See if I can get that. Cool. Out of coin in Facebook. Boom. All right. So I have screenshots of these coins in Facebook. So the coins were, wait, I thought they were higher than that. Where are the Facebooks? Coin. Facebooks were like 18, 19%. Coins were 23. Those are really good. So again, guys, if you want to learn how we're doing this with 1348, both of those were Invictus. So if you guys want to learn a little bit more about how we're doing this, you guys know where to find us. The link's in the top of the live chat. Those were dirty, dude. What's my cash balance at right now? Jesus. Fuck. I love it. I love it, man. Hold on. 405.47. Yeah, I didn't like that rejection, so I'm out of them. Now, coin can continue up. I wanted to see that break of 61, and that was it. Let me see. All right. $404.07. Okay, cool. All right. Amy fucking around doing a whole lot of nothing. Coin looks good here. I mean, not anymore. I'm done. I'm supposed to call out the Invictus signal. Not on the public streams, no. I call them out on the private streams, though. So if you guys want to hop in there and get those Invictuses, that's where I call them out. Because that's really special stuff we've been working on for a while. Must be nice. Everybody can do it, man. Everybody can do it, dude. Is this Facebook? Yeah. All right, let's see. Let's see here. Hold on. Can we get the call outs in the Discord? Yes. Okay. When I see one, I'll call one out in the Discord. Next time I see a good one that I like, I'll call one out for you guys. I believe Gabe calls them out on the streams too. But yeah, it's easier for us to just do it on the streams. Hey, SV, how's it going? Pretty good, Tank. Pretty fucking good today, dude. Haven't traded all week. Battling stupid cold. Been missing the early streams. Appreciate you. Stiffmeister, gotcha, buddy. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing too. Like, if you guys, if you guys aren't feeling it that day, there's no real reason to be trading that day. Like, you don't have to. We're in the Discord market talk. Yeah, if I see one, I'll throw it in there for you guys. I'll go look right now and see if there's one I like. With SPY where it is right now, I honestly don't know. Do I still have AMC shares? Yeah. Well, yeah. Where are they going? Ah, fuck you, Facebook. Fuck you, Facebook. How do you get the screenshot you post? So it's hard. This is the hard part about it. You have to click your position. You have to click in the top right, and it pulls up that gain. But once you close the position, it's gone. So anytime you see a Webull screenshot like that, it's an open position. It's really because like I have to sit here and just be like, click screenshot, and then go back to the position to make sure it didn't fucking shark on me. But let's see here, guys. Keep hitting that like button on the way in, and if you guys do want to get Invictus and all that stuff when it's coming, I mean, where did Invictus tell me? Right here, right around here, and then it goes from 158.86 to 161. That's fucking dirty. So again, here you guys go. What are you waiting for? Let's see. Glad I took the week off when I had the vid. Probably wouldn't have gone well. Exactly. Can you say go to market docs? We don't have this. Yes, yes. I'll tell you guys if there's something coming. Ooh, hold on. But then I have to pull it up. All right. So here's what we're gonna do. We'll do it like this. Actually, hold on. I just saw one that I liked. I just have to make sure. And there's something else that I need on this chart to be able to confirm it. Here it is. Wait. Why is it? Well, hold on. The fuck is this? That's a bit annoying. All right. Yeah. That's all. I don't want to keep throwing them out because they're still in beta. We still have to work on them. You have to know what you're doing, but that's the one that I just put in there. Careful. Coin, you fucker. All right. Rivian over here starting to move up. Where's Lucy? And then Tesla, we'll look at Tesla. Fucking coin. Damn, bro. That was gnarly. Google new high of the day. Did I add more AMC shares recently? No. No. SPY rip. Coin rip. Lucid trying to come up here a little bit. Where's Tesla? Tessie's not doing it. Amy above VWAP here. Coin is a monster. You're up 15% on your portfolio for the day. Done trading for the day. Winning loser. Fuck yeah. Let's see. Wow. SPY flatlined. Where's Rivian? Rivian trying. Lucid not doing a whole lot here. If SPY doesn't continue here, Lucid's just going to shark right back down. I'm not touching anything right now. Zero. Nothing. I am touching zero. So let's see. SPY trying. Coin, you motherfucker. Coin! Coin, you dum-dum. Yeah, I'm not touching shit, people. SPY coming back down. All right, team. You hear sirens? Just follow the rules? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Everyone's going to prison at Coinbase? Oh, boy. Well, at least we can make money on their random run-up here. Let's see. SPY still holding 404 here. Here we go. Guys, again, hit that like on the way in if you guys have not already. Oh, slaughtered it today, bro. Let's see. Coin again, dude. SPY flickering. See. So much multitasking going on over here. SPY coming back down. I don't trust the SPY here. I think it's going to teeter back down. Watch out on a lot of these things. The EVs are holding up all right here. Let me lose this still at 1839, 5 cents in the red. It could make a move here, but not with SPY coming back down, potentially rimming on the 5-minute, but we'll see. Let's see. All right. Lower volume to send candles mean the cells are losing steam, right? On SPY? No, if the volume's slowing down here, I would say that the buyers are losing it. Yeah, I don't like this SPY move here. This is probably a 3-minute rim. Yeah, so it's a 3-minute rim. I just don't know if it's going to bounce off of there. Max pain for AMC? I don't know. Does it matter? Let's look. $14.50. What are we at now? $14.66. Oh my fucking God. Let's see. Gonna be a put afternoon? It might be. How much settled do I have left? Do I have a lot? Yeah, shit. Smash that like button. Thanks, Derek. I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah. So let's see what SPY does on this rim here. It looks like it wants to just melt. So watch out. Coin's coming down. Damn, guess you're gonna have to trade. No, I'm probably done for the day. Those Facebooks and coins were just dirty. So I hit the Baba. I got chopped up a little bit on I think the two losses that I had were SPY and AMD down in here. I had like some wild SPY trades coming down for something here, and then it bounced. And I took a little loss on that one. And then I botched an AMD, and then I hit dirty Facebook. What I don't know. I've had so many good trades today that like I think I'm up like 4% today because I'm keeping my stops so tight that it's like whatever. So the losses are small, but the gains I just let them ride. I wish I let the coin ride a little bit more. SPY's gonna cross on the daily. Yeah, it is. Oh yeah, Facebook was one of them. Made 34% on a Facebook put earlier this morning. Thanks for all of you, Gabe Vix and 1348 community do for us. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. It's always nice to hear you guys making a lot of money. That's the goal, man. The other one that I forgot, Baba was nasty too. Baba was a really dirty one. SPY about to timber. It's bouncing off here. It's rimming on this 3-minute, but the MACD crossed. 5-minute MACD is I don't like that. It's down below 404. I think that might be it for a while, but we'll see. Up 6% on the portfolio for the week. You're happy considering the week. There you go, man. Baba's one of your favorites, dude. Baba was nasty today. Yeah, I don't like Lucid here. We'll see though. Lucid's about to cross. Yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. Let's see. This looked like Amazon before. So where did you can see it on Amazon most likely. I don't know where it went, but Amazon did it right here and then cross bing. So it depends on what the SPY is going to do though. It really depends on what the SPY is going to do. Yeah. At the end of the day, people, make sure you guys are following the rules, getting more time. You're going to be fine. Oh, Duck Gang. How you guys doing? Let's see. So Amazon bounced off the 13 here. SPY trying. I just don't know how much it's going to do. Yeah, Amy above VWAP here. That's not bad. 1469, 1470. I mean, it hit what? 1529 today. It's slowly moving back up here though. 212 average return on your plays today. I'm done. DM Ohio, if you feel comfortable, I would like to know the number today. Is it higher or lower than the really big day that we saw you hit? Let's see. He has a big portfolio. He does have a big portfolio. And he keeps making it a lot bigger. Oh, there goes Lucy. We should bring DM on for a live stream. Dude, we should definitely do that. If you're comfortable with that, I'd be a bit higher. Fuck. That's crazy. That is crazy, bro. Oh my God. I love that, man. DM Ohio, good on you for learning the principles of 1348 and applying it in your big portfolio. That is nasty, dude. That is nasty. New high on Sega. Monkey pop. Lucy. Sega. Yeah, up 13% today. SPY popping all day. I don't know. It's rimming on the 3-minute here. I'm probably just burning it today, not doing much. You have a real question. Why is AMDT going to 1,200%, and how does PGY compare to it? I have, honestly, Lucid just popped there. See? I don't know much about these. Thanks for always being in my ears, so I know what everything is doing when I can't give it 100% attention. DM Ohio. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. I mean, that's DM Ohio and Omar are probably, and Dawn. DM Ohio, Omar, and Dawn are like just absolutely slaughtering 1348 now. Diamond Dog, like we have so many people that are just crushing it. It takes a little bit of time to learn, but once it clicks for you and you understand how to read the market, it feels like you're trading with a cheat code. That's how I view it. Well, PGY and AMDT. I don't know. This is what? Fintech. Okay, so AI and then AMDT. I don't see this popping up anywhere. Yeah, Lucid tried here, but SPY's coming back down. Tesla doing. Yeah, and again, guys, this isn't like a like you can come in and just like bing clicks and you're good to go. But this does take some time to figure out and completely understand. So that's why we have the learning curriculum for you guys, all of those live streams. And again, you're gonna get out of it what you put in. Had a bad first 2 weeks by not following the rules. Ooh, gotta follow the rules, buddy. Almost out of the hole you put yourself in. Luckily, less than 1% of your portfolio. There you go. What's for lunch? Those I had to go get them this morning because I was laying in my bed last night and I forgot that I went like over. Like I forgot I went like over, not over. I forgot that it closed already. And I was like, shit. SPY rimming on the 3. It is right now. What's Lucy doing? Nothing. VIX moving up again, so SPY will come down. John, try not to say that like they move like inversely to each other. It has to do with the implied volatility on the S&P option chain. If SPY comes down a little bit, yes, VIX is going to go up, but one of them's going to move first. Sometimes they move together. Like I wouldn't use that as your direct indication of where the market's going. SPY looks like it's headed for a 5-minute rim here. Lucid's coming back down. I don't like the SPY up at these levels here. Breaking out of the box, cool. Making those new highs and starting to fizzle out, not for me. Well, I went this morning to CVS and I got energy drinks and food. Just got a strangle for next Wednesday, either going back to 390 or up to 416. I don't think that's the worst idea in the world. Let's see. They don't all right, and they don't always move opposite to each other. It's a weird indication. A 142% profit on a SPY. Jesus, guys. Never use one form of indication. Exactly. Guys, 1348 and the crosses are great. They're awesome. They give you a better understanding of where things are headed. Can you use them by yourself and without the education of actually knowing how to use them? No, you can't. You're going to get hurt, which is you need to learn the system behind it or else you're going to blast yourself, which is not what we want. You're gone for 30 minutes and the SPY's back up. Dude, SPY went boom over here. So I played next Wednesdays around here. But yeah, I mean, this is an interesting day. I'm probably just done now. Tesla bouncing off VWAP, SPY trying to come back up here. Lucy sharked a little bit, bouncing off the 200. Let's see here. Apple, please? Sure. Is it risky to jump in on SPY calls? Right now, I would say yes, but you can do whatever you want. Whatever you're using to determine whether or not you want to get SPY calls, I mean, go for it if you want to. If not, don't. According to 1348 right now, probably wouldn't be the best idea. Apple 157 right here. You think YouTube is shorting my like button? Holder of shares? Thanks, buddy. Appreciate that. Guys, if you don't mind hitting that like on the way in over here. You guys crushed it yesterday, running it up all the way to 1,000. That was wild. Thank you. What are the odds we drop to 390 next week? I think it's possible. $50 day on the portfolio. Holy shit. Man, those of you guys that really took the time over like the last 4 to 6 months to learn this, good job. Good job. You guys are doing great. AMC stuck to the 50 MA in trendline. Okay. Yesterday's moves for Google and Microsoft are proof that earnings can go either direction regardless. Exactly. That's exactly why I always strangle earnings. No matter what is going on, I'm always going to strangle earnings. Let's see here. Guys, we're 21 likes away from 300. If you guys wouldn't mind running that up a little bit, I'm going to go turn on the air conditioning really, really, really quickly. And again, if you want to hop in with us, here's the link right there. You guys see all the people in my live chat having an awesome time with it. Give me 2 seconds. I just got to turn on the air conditioning. I was a dum-dum and tried to like turn the air conditioning off. Apple coming up here a little bit. SPY bouncing off this. Where's Lucid? Where's Lucid? Nah, I don't like that one. If you're going to do a strangle and can get 4 contracts for the price of 2 on the other side, you can do that. That's more hedging a long position. That's more like hedging. It is a strangle, but it's like a directional strangle. Like you're more weighted to one side. You don't get the market. Guys, I tweeted this out yesterday. Where is it? Don't worry about what the markets are going to do. Worry about what you're going to do in response to the market. Okay? So in response to the market today, well, you had this put signal, but it was still above the 200 EMA. You could have played some other things that were below the 200 EMA and selling off a little bit more. Cool. Then you have the call signal. It's running up. Does it really matter what the actual reason is behind the move if you're day trading? No, you're just responding to the market conditions as they come out. It doesn't really matter what the news is because the charts are pretty much not the same, but you're reading the same things every single day. So if you see your signal, you do an action. It's just if this, then that. That's all it is. Google and Microsoft went up because of guidance. People don't care about the numbers. Yeah, that's true. The market is irrational. Just go with the flow. Yes, 100%. 100%. And if you guys aren't following me on Twitter yet, here's this link right here. Make sure you guys go follow me over there. Yeah, I mean, you guys can see the screenshots of the gains that I had today. They're over there. Any breaking news updates that we have, those go over there as well. So make sure you guys go follow me on Twitter if you guys are not already. Let's see. Oh, we're getting some news on Biden and China. Amy back down below VWAP. Let's see. You just can't stand Twitter. There's a lot of really, 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 really stupid people on Twitter. Like low, like it's very hard to deal with sometimes, the amount of stupidity that's actually on Twitter. Where did Facebook end up going? Yeah, I don't feel as bad anymore about myself. Let's see. Am I playing Apple? Honestly, probably not. What we have seen recently, the one earnings that you could have actually hit big on that I remember, I mean, there could have been another one, was Snap. That's really it. Other than that, nothing really crazy has been going on. And the move is actually to play the continuation the next day or two. That's kind of the move with earnings season right now. Can you catch a big one on earnings? Yeah, you definitely can. Is it worth the risk? Yeah, not. I'd almost rather just. What's my next spot? Spy next stop. I mean, you have day high. You have the 13 EMA on the 5, so 404.50 if it wants to get back up there. You have the 13 on the 5-minute, which is 403.44, and then this box down here, the upper end, 402.50. It's about where it is. Camera said bye-bye. Fucking camera. Ooh, it's heating up. So the what do you call it? The whatchamacallit? Let me see. The air conditioning should help us out a little bit. There we go. We're back. We are back. Yeah, thanks for letting me know, guys. It should be good now. We're heating it up over here. Let me see. There was this one, and I believe this one. Those two. That's Coin, Facebook. Cool. Let's see. Camera dead. No, we're good now. We're good now. Guys, again, hit that like on the way in if you guys haven't already. DM Ohio. Holy shit, bro. All right. Yeah, Facebook coming down. Tessie's slipping. Dude, this Tesla trade here, I'm pissed that I didn't take. I bitched out on it because I was looking at this right here. It was these candles right here where I was looking at it. It was right around here where I was like, yup, I want this Tesla down to the 200. And I just never got it. That would have been a nasty one. I just couldn't get myself to do it. So missed that one. Hit a lot of other good ones today. You can't win them all. Tiger ripping. Whoa, Tiger. Hello. Tiger on a moon mission here. Hello there, Tiger. The problem with Tiger is the spreads. The spreads kind of suck. Spy dead. Yeah. There goes Tessie. I'm not gonna do what everybody thinks I'm gonna do. You called out Tiger in the Discord stream this morning. Didn't get it, but still, a lot of people were calling out Tiger this. But we saw this here. I remember seeing Tiger here. But like these morning moves up, I mean, you get sharked, it rims, and then you continue back up. Yeah, they're moving nicely. Nope, not touching anything. Unless something looks really good, I'll take not like a shot at something. But We will see. How's it possible that TDA and Webull can be reflecting different prices on a stock and XMR? There's a delay in there somewhere. They should be the same. Sellers trying to shove SPY below the 5-minute 13. Yeah, Google Cloud experiencing technical difficulties. Is Google moving on this? Technically, I still have those Google puts kicking around. Nah, I mean, it's selling off with everything. Tessie, you mother, I know what you're going to do here. I know exactly what you want to do. How? Interesting. Signals the SPY move down ahead of time. Not always the case. Yes, sometimes it definitely can, John. Definitely can. But I would like to confirm with other indicators as well. I wouldn't just use VIX. I wouldn't just use options flow, stuff like that. That was just my point there. Banks paid good. Yeah, banks were good on earnings. Jimmy getting knocked down a bit. Yeah, so is Amy a little here. Well, I haven't even looked at Jimmy today. How's Jimmy doing? Yeah, Jimmy's hunting across down here. Watch out for that. Oh, what's up, Brian? How you doing, buddy? Yeah, Google didn't make that move. Levels for SPY to come down to? Well, the 13 on the 5, and then you really have this previous level here. 402.88, I would say. This yesterday's high. Watch 402.88, so $1. If it falls through there, I would say 402.50, the box. And then if it comes down, it's like VWAP, stuff like that. Wearing a red shirt. All right, let's see. Tiger has to cool off, running too hot. That's what you think. I would not trade Tiger here, though. Me personally, I don't want it. It can still definitely run. I just don't want it. You're late on the move. It's up 3%. There's no cross. Like, you're just, unless the SPY goes on an absolute fucking moon mission and Tiger goes with it, it's not for me right now. Like number 329. I appreciate that, Josh. Quick neurologist appointment this end. Got a DM you on ID in a second. Okay, cool. Hopefully the appointment went well. Am I trading Tesla right now? No. I wanted it earlier, and I bitched out on it because I was thinking. I was hesitating. I was like, next week's, this week's, in the month. Like, what am I gonna do? Finally back after a while. DRTs. What's up, buddy? All right, SPY moving back up. Let's see. All right, folks. So it's 12:30. It's almost lunchtime. We murdered it trading 64% on a SPY call when the trailing stop triggered. Not complaining here. I wouldn't either, bro. That's fucking great. SPY moving up here again. HKD. That sounds like a penny stock. Oh no. Halted. Jesus. What is this? Oh, that's AMTD. There you go. Ecosystem entrepreneur. Oh, that's kind of cool. I lost my steel balls to trade Tesla. No, I just didn't. It was a weird. SPY was moving weird at the time that I wanted to do it, and I was like, I would rather not fuck up the game that I have right now. But it would have really helped it out. So it happens. Hold on, let me look at Oxy. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, let me look. Oh, let me see. Brian, I'll look at this right now. Let me see here. Let's see. Does Gabe randomly send messages in the Discord? Felt like I was talking to a bot. We did have a where in the market chat? I didn't see it in market chat. You trading Snap $10 calls the 18th of August. Hoping for a gap fill. That's after earnings though. You got to be careful of that. If Gabe sends you an inbox on Discord, it's not him. Right. It's definitely not him. We're not just randomly shooting DMs at people. We don't have enough time. Like we literally, if you guys send us a message, we'll do our best to reply, but we don't have enough time. Yeah, that's not him. That's an imposter. SPY being a bit of a hoe bag here. What if I have cocaine and hookers? Will he message me then? Maybe, man. I don't know. It's possible. Very possible. Expected move on Amazon. Let's look. Ooh, that is actually not bad. Just eyeballing it here, that actually looks like it could be decent. What's it at? 121 foot. Okay, so it's right in the middle. $5.9%. Yeah. I don't know about that one. That they're not pricing in very much for Amazon. SPY's coming back up here a little bit. Oxy's moving here too. It's banging its head on VWAP. It's trying to get above 63. 63 was the key level yesterday, and it couldn't get over. Like this one right here, this 63, it could not get over 63. It shot up above here this morning, came back down, coming back up. I don't really like that one. Walmart and Target, new highs of the day. That's what I was saying. They're just going to go. I'm not touching it, though. Just put it out there. It could run another 20 cents throughout the day. It could run another $2. You don't know, but it's already made the move. If you're going to get it now, you're way late on it. Oh, really? He said he was going to make me $28,000 a month with his crypto strategies. Yeah, that's definitely not any of us. Let's see. Lucid Knife. Where'd it go? I didn't like it. It just didn't look. It like looked. Like it didn't look good. That's why I didn't get it. That's why I was in on the Facebooks and what do you call it? The Facebooks and Coin, because Spy was already looking good back here. This one was already after Spy made a move. You had an imposter pretending to be Diana too? Yeah, but like all the really, really, really smart, intelligent people on Twitter know that Diana's a bot and she just is not a real person. Like all those like really, really smart people on Twitter, they're like, no, these are bots. And it's like, well, I feel like you're just like was the same people that we're fighting against, saying that retail investors aren't smart enough to make money in the market. Smarty. Yeah, Adam, that's probably not us. You're on the 1 minute with Lucy? No, I mean, yeah, it's back down below here. Spy's coming up. I didn't like it up here. It just didn't jump out at me. Yeah, market's boring right now. Spy's coming up a little bit here, though. There goes Amazon. There goes the Amazon. Hold on, do I have any dirty screenshots of today? I thought I did. Where's my Bob? There it is. Let's see. You're up 1.5% for the day. Gonna chill for now. There you go, buddy. There you go. Man. What's up, Wayne? How you doing, pal? How are you doing, Wayne? All right, guys. Here's what we're gonna do right now. I'm gonna run to the bathroom really quickly. Then I'm gonna throw my lunch in the microwave, and then I'll be right back. So it'll take me probably 60 seconds. So, guys, hit that like button on the way in. Special shout out to those of you guys that were sending in supers today as well. Shout out to the members. And again, guys, if you want to hop in there with us, check out. That's the Twitter link. Is the wrong one. The link to 1348 is in the top of the live chat, but I'll throw that in here for you guys as well. Here you go. And I'll be right back. Give me like 2 seconds. Bro, I literally can't get this thing off. It's like stuck. This is such a problem here. This is such an issue right now. Ah, he's gone forever. Ah, oh no. It's fine. Dude, I literally can't get this plastic off without ripping the entire bowl. This is an issue here. We're on the struggle train with lunch. Oh, that might do it. All right, team. Keeping that like on the way. Well, there it is. All right, I got it. Now it's time to throw it in the microwave. Alrighty, folks. Here we go. So, someone's slapping the ass on crypto. Where's Mara? Nah, it's okay. It's not moving. SPY's just slowly rimming up here. Amy doing a whole lot of zero today. It's up 3 cents flat. No buyers. Nothing. Buyers fizzled out. Let's see. Only supposed to pull one corner. Yeah, I know, but like it sticks and it won't like it like rips the whole cardboard shit on it. So it's like, well, we're fucked now. But I figured it out. Amazon actually looks all right here. Rimming up after this cross. SPY. I mean, same thing, sort of. Amazon looks a little bit better. And then somebody was asking for Apple. We can look at this right here. I don't want anything else today, though. Like, I really just want to take my gain, be good to go. Let's see. Ooh. Someone's, yeah. Even if there were buyers on AMC, they continue to corrupt the price using dark pools. I mean, I guess, but you still see rips and like that's the thing. Like, then you see this run on the 4 hour, and what are you gonna like? What can we say here? It's like they didn't just stop using dark pools when we went from 12 to 18. And if that's really an issue, just buy to a lit exchange, and that solves the problem right there. It's all in your hands. Could I hold your hand while you're trading? No, I'm not. I don't want to be really like touching you. So let's see. Bro, we killed it today, man. What a fucking day. Hold on. Moving on up here a little bit. I was supposed to grab a water. What's your guess from Apple earnings, good or bad? Dude, doesn't matter what I think. It's a coin flip. It's literally 50-50. Get a maid or a chef? I should. I do want a chef. Like, I honestly, I want to do better and, like, have a chef. My life would be so much cooler just having a chef. Like, just, I get to eat food, good food. It'd be expensive, I think, but that's why you just need to, like, I don't know, do better. I just need to, like, do better in life, you know? Just trade better. Do more things. Shot you message on Discord. Read later at your convenience. DM. I will take a look at that, buddy. Gotcha. DM. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Man, this is probably the best recession ever. Dude, facts. Personal chef driving around in a pista, life is good. We're trying to get there, dude. That's what we all want. Chef pista. V12 Vantage. That's what we want. We're getting there. We have personal chefs in our community. Yeah, no, I know. I feel like that would be, I don't know. I would 100%. If somebody wanted to do that, sure. But I'm not going to go out of my way to ask somebody to do that, because then they're going to be like, well, he wants me to do this. I feel weird about it. Like, if somebody wanted to do it, sure. I'm not going to go out of my way to ask them, no. All right. My microwave food is done, so I'm going to go grab that. Sorry, I was on mute. Squirrel, you were right this time. I gotta let this cool for a little bit because the microwave sucks at life. You know what the messed up thing about this is? I didn't realize this. These are like $7. But there's nothing else that I can do. I have to get like chicken that they don't have. Get fat like a boomer? No. Claps twice loudly. Jeeves, fill up my edgy tears. I don't know. This 1348 is ridiculous. I don't like making money. Dude, it's awesome, man. It is awesome. So again, if you guys want to hop in there with us, it's right here. TM Ohio probably beat his gain, I think, by a decent amount today from the screenshots of the games that I've seen. We got Omar. A lot of people are having a lot of success with it. And again, if you guys want to hop in, you're more than welcome to come in and try it. Now is kind of the time to hop in and prepare for Invictus, just because you need to know the fundamentals. You can't use Invictus without knowing the fundamentals. If you try to, you're going to get hurt. Woo! Let's see. See, I think I burned my face off with this yesterday. I'm going to try not to do that again. What's going on with the 4-hour market alerts? Let's look. What do you mean? They're going to be slower. You're going to be joining on the 1st? Awesome, man. Yeah, if you guys do want to wait, I'd say wait till the 1st. And you get the whole month. Yeah, the 4 hours is going to be a little bit less just because it's going to take longer and there's going to be less crosses across the board. How is it even possible that's by rip from a low a few days ago to where it is now and AMC's literally flatter down? Because they didn't get bought up with it. The longer time frame chart just looked like shit. Like if you look at AMC on the daily, I think it's looking better now. I haven't seen it though. No, it tried. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Perfect rim of the daily, or not perfect, but very, very close. It just wicked above this 13 on the daily and then right back down. So this is it could be the 200 on the 4 hour. Yeah, so it's fucking around at the 200 on the 4 hour. This is why in the video last night I said it's at a turning point. AMC is at a breaking point here where it could easily shoot right back up after this nonsense retest, or it could just continue on its way down. Odds are, with where the market is right now, if the market comes down, Amy's coming down with it. So that's why we're here trying to help you guys make money in the meantime, because it's going to do things that are going to piss you off. Let's see. Yeah, Thomas, if you look back at them, they're spaced out. There's not always stuff happening on the 4 hour. It takes a lot more time for crosses to happen on the 4 hour. $200% on Wally World, done for the day. Fuck yeah. I love it, dude. Spy up. The only problem with these is there's like asparagus in here, and like, fuck asparagus. All right, let's see. You feel like Spy's going to sell up? It's rimming on the 5 here. We need a closing candle down below. It hasn't really gotten it yet. All right. Your daughter's name is asparagus? No, it's not. All right. So 404.50 is a high. And yeah, see, we were talking about Amazon. It looks good. I'm not touching it though. The pricing in for earnings doesn't look bad though. Back to 14.50 on Amy. Nah, asparagus sucks. Asparagus and broccoli suck, bro. All right. There goes Amazon. 121.87 is a high. Am I going to be playing Amazon or Apple on earnings? Probably not. Because no matter what happens, there's a continuation move tomorrow. Okay, unsub. Well, okay. All right. Amazon's trying. Let's see. All right. I got to grab water. I forgot to do that. I'll be right back. Good afternoon. How we doing? Bro, I love Brussels sprouts. Don't even get me started on Brussels sprouts. Those are the best. Let's see. Yeah, you didn't have to come at broccoli like that? Nah, fuck broccoli. Cauliflower. I mean, technically, I just ate cauliflower rice. So I guess that's what we're doing these days. Let's see. Could this be a technical breakout on SPY? Look at the daily chart. Yeah, you have that 200 EMA to mess with. Where's the 200 EMA though? Did it get that daily signal yet? Got to be really, really close. It's close, and then you have key resistance at 410-ish, 410.50. Then you got this nonsense at 417. Then the 200 EMA, 17.85. So that's what you're looking at on SPY. If it continues up, those are the levels to look out for. The smell of broccoli? Yeah, it smells like somebody ripped a toot in your kitchen. Then people are just going to be like, put some cheese on it. And then it's like, that defeats the whole fucking purpose of the broccoli. Guys, come on. Forex pairs all got slapped today. Well, I mean, you could just flip them around and they didn't get slapped. Just like change them. Just pull a little switcheroo and then you're good to go. All right, let's see. What are we looking at here? Anything interessante? Not really. Olive oil and garlic on broccoli. Oh, what are you, fancy over here? Trying to be a chef? Olive oil and garlic? What's next? Truffle oil? All right, let's see. Dude, market's slow. We made our money for the day. Let's see what we're going to get, dude. I'm a roasted fennel and beets kind of gal. Fennel's interesting. Beets, that's going to stain everything. But I know this from experience. You get beet stains. All right. Beets taste like dirt. They do taste like dirt. It's also, I believe, because they're grown in the dirt, you know? Yeah, they do taste like dirt. Why are we eating dirt over here, people? All right, 14.52 on Amy. Amazon, fucking around. We might get sideways trading here until market close. Google trap between the 13 and 48. Yeah. Is there any chance the 1348 Instagram will tag me in a story post if I leave your @ in community gains? Just want to flex on all your college friends? Yeah, at the account. Put it on your story and then at the account. And they'll repost it. Yeah, again, let's see here. Yeah, if you guys aren't following us on Twitter and Instagram, here's the link right here to the 1348 Twitter. Make sure you guys are following that if you guys are not already. I mean, you should be. If you're interested in 1348, that's definitely the spot to be. Let's see. Everything grows from the dirt. Yeah, but like that actually tastes like dirt. SPY up. Amazon not moving. I mean, SPY could end up breaking that 404.50 here, but we'll see. What the? Immediately, no. Sometimes you open Twitter and you're just like, I don't know. Like, there's just weird videos on Twitter. I can't. That one hurt me. So, all right. Amy doing a whole lot of nothing here. Ford is running today. Earnings run up. I think they already reported. I believe they've already reported. Oh, no. Well, yeah. They reported after hours yesterday. So, can I put Apple up? It is. It's right here. Apple's right here. Top right. All right. Let's see. I know they're good for you and all that stuff. Nah. Just eat like Chipotle and smoke crack and you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Personal trainer of the fix. Smoke crack and eat Chipotle. All right. 14.53 on Amy. Nothing. Zero. The moves have been made, people. They're preparing for earnings. SPY's just rimming up here on the 5, just screwing around. All right. Let's see. Are we there yet? No. Earnings reports are displayed on Whispering Eye. What's that? What's Whispering Eye? Fidelity, I think, is Active Trader Pro, Lenny, and then you can select the exchange that you want to go to. You're gonna get a worse fill. You're gonna have to pay some commission too. I think. You have 1 billion new Discord notifications. Diamond Dog. That was a good one. All right, let's see. Yeah, Amy's hunting a cross down here, but it's not doing much. It's just been fucking around with VWAP today. SPY looks like it could head up here, but I think the buyers are kind of done. You're seeing this little divergence here where the price is still coming up. MACD is still in like a little bit of a bearish trend here. STV fitness plan, energy drinks, and crack. Yeah, exactly. What else do we do? You mean butt? Okay. I don't know what you guys are talking about in the live chat right now, but it seems inappropriate. And that's definitely, we never do that around here. We never say anything inappropriate ever. Zero. None of that. Yeah, I don't get it. But yeah, we never do any of that nonsense around here. All righty. What a day. Took 3 quick scalps on SPY and 3 on Lucid with different platforms. Thank you for 1348, Joseph. Anytime, man. I'm so happy when you guys are making these gains, man. I mean, I had a great day too, dude. Again, guys, if you do want to hop in, the link is in the top of the live chat. Come check us out. We offer so much more than just alerts. And I would honestly say, I think the alerts are almost useless if you don't know how to use them. If you don't have the training, knowing the way that we trade them, the actual like core of how to actually trade, the alerts are useless to you. So again, we do have the fastest alerts on multiple time frames on over 450 stocks and cryptos, but it's a tool to make the strategy and the learning and implement it a lot easier. So again, here's that link right there. We have the algorithms. 1348 has scammed me to a consistent 5 to 10% gauge. Shout out to 1348. There you go, buddy. You had 3 GME calls that didn't update after the split Friday. Couldn't roll them. Got an error Fidelity call back today and said they won't honor them. You had 2 that updated just fine. So, ooh, that's weird. I haven't seen that. 2 for 2, waiting for the puts later. It could, dude. You never know. I mean, you could see a little bit of a run up into Apple earnings. So I have one that hasn't updated a week later as well. That's weird, dude. Because the chain is updated. The chain across the board has updated. That's very weird. That must be on their end, their system. I mean, you could probably call them and be like, I know you have, but be like, hey, fuckhead, fix it. Or I'm leaving. And then they'll do something about it for you. Apple coming down to that 48 right here. So a recession doesn't apply to us anymore or what? I guess not. Like Not a Hedge Fund said earlier, this is the best recession ever. Dude, it's fucking funny. That's what I'm thinking. I'm going to write them an email like on Karen. Yeah, email and call them. Because they might take a while on the email. I don't know what time to expiration you have. You call them and be like, I'm literally going to leave if you don't fucking fix this. Then you should be good to go. Because that's bullshit. Like, they should have easily figured that out for you. Let's see. All right, SPY is now slipping here a little bit. Where's like Roku? Because Roku has earnings after hours today too. Roku slipping here. Netflix. Nope. No. If the market crashes, what will happen to MOAS? You've seen what happens to AMC when the market crashes. We just saw it. Oh, in 2022, we've seen what happens to AMC and like growth or like the basket of meme stocks when like stocks that like highly shorted stocks when the market comes down. They just sell off with it. And again, you don't want like even if they did this is what we were talking about yesterday. Even if a giant sell-off was going to cause a move like shorts, like not cause, but like entice the shorts to cover. Here's the issue with it. There's no urgency. Zero. No urgency if they're up on their position and need to get out. The way a squeeze happens is again, they're getting squeezed out. You can't if they are just going to slowly get out of their position, there's no urgency. You don't see that massive influx of buyers. So you need them to cover as the price is ripping because then there's urgency. They're like, fuck, we have to get out right now. Market order, market order, market order. But as it's coming down, all they'll do is just be like, all right, buy, 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 buy. And they'll slowly drip it down. I'm new to your channel, bro. And so far, I'm loving it from Arizona. Carlos, I appreciate that, buddy. When are the new bots going to be available? I would say within the next 2.5 weeks. We tweaked them a little bit this week. So we're, oh shit, that's my Chipotle. I stuck my foot in like the Chipotle tin. Whoops. I didn't realize that was still there. But yeah, within the next few weeks, we tweaked them a little bit this week to test them a little bit more. We're trying to make them like really locked, laser focused, almost like as perfect as we can possibly make them before they actually come out. But we're going to have a lot of curriculum videos for you guys in there when that does end up coming out because you need to know what you're doing. The urgency is no collateral on their margin. Exactly. They run out of their equity in their position and they get forcibly liquidated. Coming down is not like if the price is going down and they're getting out, it's like it's not. They're not. There's no urgency. They can hold it for as long as they want to. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm getting at least one video out for you guys tonight too. I'm gonna try to get a second one. Going to a Red Sox game later, which is gonna be fun. First Red Sox game in Boston. Last time I was at Fenway, it was my first night here, and I lost my ID, wallet, like cards, everything. Because I was on one of those stupid fucking bikes. Never riding one of those bikes again. I'm just gonna Uber. What am I doing biking around at like 2 a.m? Why? That's how you lose your IDs and stuff. Now, we're just going to Uber or even walk. Not back from Fenway, but, you know, same difference. Am I standing in soft? Nah, I'm fine. Let's see. Biking at that time is how you get robbed? Nah. Well, it wasn't just myself. It was me and my buddy. We were biking like in like a nice area of Boston. We biked by AP, and I was like, whoa. My buddy and I walked to I think it's called Newberry Street, and they had a Richard Mille over there, and I was like, it'd be really cool to go in there and see, but like I could never seriously go in there to just look, I would just feel bad about myself. How much is this? 400 grand. Okay, I'm going to go home now. Like, fuck is this nonsense? Buying houses on your wrist? Stop it. Stop it. Your Uber driver will not like you if you poop your pants. That's facts. You can't poop your pants in an Uber. That and throwing up, you cannot do. Yeah, we were walking by because I had to go to the Apple store to get my new trap phone. It would be amazing if Invictus would only alert if support and resistance was a decent percentage away from the current level. Just a thought. Yeah, so you can't really do that because there's going to be so many more. Maybe we could. I don't know. Andy and I'll go really smart with that type of stuff. We probably could. It would cloud it a bunch more, though. There are two really important rules that I've been using with it that I didn't realize I was using for like the first 3 days. And I like noticed it after. I was like, oh, I'm only taking positions when it's here. So that's going to be a video. I was talking to Gabe about it last night, and I think he's going to be testing it out too today. I don't know. Gabe and I have just been, or in this group chat that we've just been sending screenshots of our gains today. It's fucking stupid. Like, Invictus is crazy. But yeah, there's a couple of rules. Like, I'm watching it play out right now, and it's doing exactly what I would expect it to do. You asked me about that this morning. I didn't see that, Wayne. But I don't. It might be possible. It'd be a little bit difficult, though. Biden says he thinks House Speaker Pelosi will get the CHIPS bill passed. No fucking shit, Biden. Oh, yeah, Pelosi, who still definitely has exposure on the chips. You think she's not going to get the chip bill passed? Jesus. These people. All right, guys. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. And, yeah, if you guys do want to hop in before Invictus is released, to make sure you guys fully understand the strategy, because it is going to take a little bit of time for you guys to really get caught up. Here's that link right there. Hop in, man. I mean, you guys see it on my Twitter all the time and my Instagram if you guys are following me. I'll throw up those gains every now and then. Get yourself an air tag. Here's the deal, though. Even if it did have an air tag in it, I would have to, like, literally go, like, wander around and go find it the next day in, like, the middle of a street. So now I have a new card and a new ID. So we're good to go. Is that the new boss name? Invictus? Yeah, we have two. We have two that are coming. Invictus and Pythagoras. Pythagoras is on the daily. And he's nasty. The thing is up, like, it was up in like the first week, 19%. Market flipped a little. He's probably up a lot today too. Let me see. Where's Algo? Wait, hold on. Oh, that's interesting. Hold on. I got to find something here. Mm-hmm. All right, let's see. Facebook coming back down. A lot of things. SPY's kind of melting here. Is this down below right now? No, it's coming back up. What's a rubber check? I don't know what that is. Amy's just bouncing off the 200 here, screwing around. Let's see. Oh, I love these videos. Let's see. Lockheed new highs? Dude, we haven't traded Lockheed since like the first Ukraine stuff. People hated me for that. I was like, dude, it's just ripping. I'm flipping calls on it. Leave me alone. SPY puts, like people were yelling. People always give us shit though, and it's always for something different. It's like, oh, what do you hate me for today? Woo! Anything exciting so far? Dude, this has been a great trading day today. Great trading day. Let me see. I'll tell you the percentage that I'm up today. Let me see. $3.7. SPY back up. Hello there. You want Invictus? It's a beast, bro. Invictus is a beast. But you do have to know how to use it. It's dangerous if you don't know how to use it. You have STV beat today so far? Guys, it's not a competition. It's not a competition. Trading's like one of the only things that it's like just you versus the market. There's no like, I mean, sort of. Somebody could come in and fuck you with a giant short or a buy order. But it's very similar to golf. Friendly competition, that's true. You're going to give me Invictus, or I'm going to show Mikey where you live. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we don't want that. Oh, shit. All right, let's see. Oh, Mass Gang. What's up, team? How you guys doing? We got Jessica, Twisty, me too. Woo! Mass Gang coming in. Jeff, what's up, team? How you guys doing? Hopefully you guys had a good time over there on TMI stream. Author James Graham Jr. Hello. Gang. What's up, team? All right, guys. Again, SPY new highs. Hit that like button on the way if you guys have not already. I'm going to look at coin really quickly here because it's probably going to make me sad. I just slaughtered coin up here. That was beautiful. Yeah, SPY new highs. Looks like the Mass Gang is bringing new highs over here. What the hell did you guys do, huh? Let's see here. Bull flag on SPY. Yeah, a little bit. It's breaking out of it right now. I feel like it would come down a little bit lower, though. I mean, you could have said this was a bear flag and then just right up. Your puts aren't putting out? No, they're not today, are they? They are not today. I mean, after this cross up, it's just been off to the races. I wish fuck, those next Wednesday SPY contracts that I went big on would have been wild. It's fine. I'm still up 3.7% on the day. That's solid, dude. Thoughts on after hours earnings? What would you like to know? What would you like to know, pal? Let's see here. Mass Gang, what's up, team? Truly fooled and shocked. Here's the thing, though. If you're trading with like a certain risk management framework, you shouldn't really be down that much. Like, so we were talking about this in the morning stream. Algo and I were going back and forth. I was thinking that we could see I was thinking it could go either way. I was watching a couple of key levels on the upside where if it breaks those, we could go on a run. At open, though, it started coming down. I didn't really have a bias today. I was really more wait and see. But a lot of people in the live chat this morning were very biased in one direction. And what I said was, it's perfectly fine to have a bias. You guys can go back and watch this too. It's perfectly fine to have a bias as long as you're able to adjust if the market tells you something the opposite. So if you're biased to puts today, which I played Facebook puts, I played Baba puts in the morning here, and those both did very, very, very well. But as the market starts to come back up and you see this cross, it's fine to be biased here. But as it's getting bought back into this zone, well, you have to be able to adjust. SPY didn't really break down this level of support here. This was the target that I was looking at on SPY for any puts that if I was going to get into them, that's where the target was going to be. That 397.75, right around there. It didn't get there. Cool. Then it bounces and starts to go. Then we just slaughtered calls across the board. So we played it both ways. So you have to know how to adjust. 111 counterparties take 2.24 trillion at the Fed reverse repo. Up on the day, but I'm still pissed we didn't get a big Powell 3% red day. It was a different, it was a different type of deal today, guys. It was weird. Saw it crossing up, didn't trust it. My bad. No, that's fine. I mean, again, I didn't trust it either. I was no, I think I front ran it a little bit. I think that was Invictus. I don't know. I didn't see it, but I think I front ran it a little bit. I was really close. It was like very close to a front run. I think it was the candle before it crossed. That's where I got it. What's good, SCV? No, you cannot. That one heavily shorted for good reason. Did the news come out already about GDP? Yes, it came out at 8:30 this morning, and it was negative 0.9%. Masquerade. What's up, team? How you guys doing? Can I chose why you chose 397.75 and not other support lines? Well, I've had this level here for a while. For a couple of reasons. The top tier, you can see it further back to resistance here, resistance here, little bit of stuttering right here. I mean, you can just see it that this has been a key level in the past that it's came down to and flickered around. So it's not exact. It's just another level that you want to have on your charts. I agree. Learned a lesson. It was a gamble I don't usually make because it's never smart. Yeah, exactly. So what you're saying is the recession is confirmed and the market loves it. Yes, exactly. Is NVIDIA ripping right now? NVIDIA. All right, let's see. Not for me. Enjoying your channel. Keep it up. Carlos, appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. Thank you. Did we all wake up in opposite world? Yes, but you have to be able to adjust. Like, you can't just see the SPY ripping like this and you don't get any confirmation that it's going to come back down and then just buy puts. Like, if it's ripping up and you don't really see any signs of it slowing down, I wouldn't try to go against it. Like, don't fight the trend. Again, like I tweeted out earlier, it's like, don't really focus on if you're trading what the market's going to do. Focus on how you're going to respond to the market. Lacey, hello. Of course he didn't. Who didn't do what? Biden admit we're in a recession or not? Oh yeah, no. No, nobody was like, yes, recession. Go team. We fucked it up. Let's see. Let's see here. Textbook. It's not textbook, it's technical. So it's like a technicality. It's like, yes, technically we're in a recession. What are your thoughts on Matt thinking reviewer doesn't know anything about the market? Matt's incorrect. Could SPY be filling a gap on the daily from May 9th? Ooh. I thought it already did. Didn't we already see the gap fill? That's AMC, sorry. It already filled the 401.44 gap. This one? Yeah, you could see this gap fill here. 406. Okay. YouTuber beef. Why do you guys like to cause drama all the time? Why can't we just sit here, make money in the market, and then all be happy, then go get personal chefs and then buy pizzas? Like, why do we have to be like drama? It's like, that's a very immature way to think, people. Come on. SPY pop. Let's see. You're up 15% on SPY calls? Nice. How am I going to afford the personal chef without supers? You guys don't need to send supers if you don't want to. If you want to, awesome. If you don't, it's fine, dude. You don't need to send supers. Yeah, stop causing drama. Guys, fucking focus on things that actually matter, not drama. Jesus. This is why the Kardashians are rich. Because of people like you feeding into the drama. Let's see. But you won't show ankles. Exactly. SPY could be going up to fill that May gap. SPY, seriously. It hit 405. If it breaks here, it might run a little. Yeah, 404.99. Sir Artorias, thanks for the super, buddy. When Lambo, how your trade's going, dude? I know you've been doing pretty good. You might get there quick. I found a good local gym. There's a gym in my building that I use. Now with the new streaming schedule, I can go to the gym more. Not today, but I can go to the gym more now, which is nice. Forget Redbox. TBLT is the new play. Okay, so if you think TBLT is the new Redbox, it's probably going to have the same fate as Redbox. Where's TBLT today? Up 31%. Cool. These plays I don't like to feed into just because of this crap. Oh, I bounced off the 200. It's not a bad look there. Bounce off the 200. If you're going to trade it with proper risk management, knowing why you're entering and where you're going to exit and why, awesome. Good for you. But if you're gonna go in there and say, hey, I'm gonna hold this thing to 100, I think that's a dumb move. What's natural gas doing? Down. Ooh, natural gas getting mauled a little bit today. Hello. Jesus, Thomas. Fuck. Trade rate. Thanks for the super, buddy. Can you look at WMB on the daily? About to cross and looks like a gap fill. Yes. Yes, I can. WMB. Williams? I don't know what this is, but oh, this gap here. Yeah. Oh, it's above the 200. This actually doesn't look bad, man. That does not look bad. RSI looks good. MACD, a little bit less momentum here with this red day that you're seeing. Shaft trend looks good too. That doesn't look bad. Amy Pop, SPY trying. Amy Tiny Pop, 1454. Oxy, did it break 63? That's why I didn't want to get anywhere near Oxy today. All my friends don't think we're in a recession. Well, they're wrong. They would be incorrect there, pal. All right, let's see. ATHX. It sounds like a penny stock. Maybe it's not though. Yeah, I don't fuck around with these, dude. Not for me. Micron, how's this doing? Let's see. Whoa, Sir Artorias, thanks for the super, buddy. Actually, I started off crypto trading, was doing pretty good, but with the bear market, I'm back over to stocks and feel like a dum-dum. That's the reason I jumped in the Discord. Always a way to make money. Sir, there you go, buddy. Yeah, I'm happy you're having success, dude. I mean, a lot of our people are. It's really, really awesome to see. I think this is like really the first time that we've ever seen a group of retail investors get together and actually start making money consistently, which is an awesome thing to see. I'm very, very happy to be a part of it. Plug contracts paid nicely today. If you had them from overnight, you did numbers. Same thing with ChargePoint. What's plug up? Jesus, dude. How much are these contracts up? 6,100%. Fuck. What happened with these? Fuel cells probably ripping too. Amen to that. Yeah, man. That's at the end of the day, retail investors making money is the best thing to see because you're not supposed to. Like, that's the thing. It's like retail investors are typically, like, again, labeled as dumb money. The fact that you guys are crushing it all the time is like a big fuck you to all of like the people who show up in a suit every day to Wall Street. It's a giant fuck you. It's awesome. That's why when people start like hating on Twitter, it's like you don't get it. Like that you just don't understand what we're doing. It's like we're retail investors are making money. We're saying fuck you to the people that have screwed over with the markets the entire time. Can I look at Tesla? Yes, I can. That's nice. Twitter September 48 call up to 1,300%. It's got to be a glitch or spreads. Yeah, that's a glitch. It's up 1.61% today. That's a glitch. It's a glitch. Nope, it's flat today. What's the spread on it? Yeah, no, that's a glitch. SV, aka the market maker assassin. Yeah, dude, I stole money from them today. And again, guys, if you want to hop in there with us, get ready for Invictus, the amazing things that we have coming too. Check out that link right there. Come in for a month. You guys won't be disappointed. I missed what you said earlier about the Kardashians. Did you say we should short the Kardashians? No, I said that that's why the Kardashians have so much money is because people like you just feed into drama all the time and you love it. That's why. Don't let them win. Do you think IMAX earnings could affect AMC's price today after ours? Yes, 100%. It's a sympathy play. You're down 25K on UVXY calls. Any suggestions? Yeah, stop YOLOing on UVXY when, if you look at the chart right here, that's not UVXY. UVXY. Look at this on the UVXY. Look, ready? UVXY right here, 4-hour time frame. What are we looking at? There is literally nothing on this time frame here that would signify to you to be buying calls on UVXY. That is not following the rules. It's not like there's not much that I can do here. Look, it crossed down way back here, and it has not even crossed up or above the 200 EMA. It's not even close. This is why we try to teach you guys so that you don't have situations like that where you're like, oh, I'm going to YOLO this, and then boom, nothing on this chart actually looks good. You need some rules. You guys know where to find us, man. You guys know where to find us. If you want to come in, take your trading to the next level, let's do it. Yellen coming on any second. Oh, boy. What do you mean when you say stop YOLOing? It basically gambling is what we mean. Let's see. SPY's right at new highs. Holy shit, dude. And the problem is like, if you could just keep like saying like, oh, I can do it by myself, blah, 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 I'm just going to keep doing this. It's like, yeah, you can. You might have some success. You're going to have a lot of volatility in your account. And by the time you realize that you want to come in and really take it to the next level, well, you'll have less money to actually trade with and compound those gains with. So it's going to take you a little bit longer. So stop taking short dated far out of the money options. Millie, good point there. Very, very good point there. Yeah. And again, guys, if you haven't already, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button on the stream on your way in over here. We should have some recessions more often. Facts, bro. Sick in bed with the vid. Just screaming the mic when Amy wakes up so I can go back to sleep. Yeah, I don't know if it will today. It's just screwing around with VWAP. So we'll see. Yellen coming to the podium. You guys want to watch Yellen? You guys want to watch Yellen? You guys want to watch? Treasury. I feel like that's important. I feel like we should watch. Yeah, we're going to watch this.
January 2021, when President Biden and his administration took office, the unemployment rate was at 6.4%. 834,000 new jobless claims were being filed each week on average, and 20 million Americans were receiving unemployment benefits. Only 1% of Americans have been fully vaccinated against COVID-19, and over 3,000 people were dying from the virus each day. In many respects, by the time President Biden took office, our economy had been brought to a standstill. At its core, our remarkable progress since then has been driven by this administration's policies, particularly through timely and targeted fiscal support in the rescue plan, combined with a vaccination effort that allowed businesses to reopen and Americans to get back to work. Over the course of the administration, our economy has created over 9 million jobs, and the labor market is now at full employment. In 2021, we saw the biggest single-year decline in unemployment on record and the biggest year of economic growth in almost 4 decades. Fixed investment has recovered to pre-pandemic trend in just 2 years. By comparison, in the last 2 recessions, this never happened. And during this time, we also reduced the deficit by $1.5 trillion. These statistics are not abstractions. They represent American workers back at work, families with more financial security, and businesses, small and large, that have been able to hire and grow. As President Biden has said, we've entered a new phase in our recovery, focused on achieving steady, stable growth without sacrificing the gains of the last 18 months. We know there are challenges ahead of us. Growth is slowing globally. Inflation remains unacceptably high, and it's this administration's top priority to bring it down. We know how difficult higher prices can be for families, how they can squeeze a household budget, and how challenging the past 2 years of disruption caused by COVID-19 have been. And that's why this administration mounted an historic vaccination campaign
Can you
to
not
get
get me
the
banned,
pandemic under
Janet?
control, and why we're laser focused on bringing down prices. The same factors that have driven inflation to record levels internationally in peers like Canada, the United Kingdom, and the Eurozone, those factors are hurting Americans as well. These challenges also include Vladimir Putin's illegal and shameful war in Ukraine. More than half the inflation experienced in 2022 reflects rising food and energy costs, global fallout from Russia's invasion. And it also reflects the lingering impacts of the pandemic, particularly in China, where repeated lockdowns have brought their economy to a halt. While the Federal Reserve has the primary role in bringing down inflation, the President and I are committed to taking action to drive down costs and protect Americans from the global pressures we face. That includes the President's historic release of 1 million barrels a day from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve, which helped reduce the price of gas by between 17 and 42 cents per gallon, according to a Treasury analysis this week. Americans have seen additional relief on this front, and in the last few weeks, prices have declined by over 60 cents a gallon in total. Our efforts also include the work we've done to develop a cap on the price of Russian oil, a way to ensure a steady flow of oil onto the global market, while denying Putin revenue for his military. At a time of global anxiety over high prices, a price cap on Russian oil is one of the most powerful tools we have to address inflation by preventing future spikes in energy costs. The reconciliation package announced yesterday will also help ease inflationary pressures by lowering some of the biggest costs families face, including energy, healthcare, and prescription drugs, all while making historic investments in fighting climate change and reducing the deficit. Importantly, this bill will also make sure we finally have the resources we need to ensure that wealthy Americans are not able to avoid paying the taxes they owe. These efforts are long overdue, and Congress should pass it immediately. This context, including the successes of the last year and the global challenges we face, is critical in understanding today's GDP data. Most economists and most Americans have a similar definition of recession: substantial job losses and mass layoffs, businesses shutting down, private sector activity slowing considerably, family budgets under immense strain, in sum, a broad-based weakening of our economy. That is not what we're seeing right now when you look at the economy. Job creation is continuing. Household finances remain strong. Consumers are spending and businesses are growing. As one example, in the last 3 months, our economy has created over 1.1 million jobs. In the 3 months beginning each modern recession outside of the pandemic, our economy lost 240,000 jobs on average. Spending by businesses and consumers, the core of our economic activity, rose by 3% in the first quarter of this year and continued to expand in the second. Industrial output, the measure of our manufacturing, mining, and utilities sectors, has shown strong average growth over the first half of the year compared to sharp average declines during past recessions. In the context of today's report, it's important to look beyond the headline number to understand what's happening. The contraction in GDP was driven primarily by the change in private inventories, a volatile component of GDP, which subtracted over 2 percentage points off quarterly growth. Today's report shows continued expansion in consumer spending overall and in services in particular, in addition to notable strength in net exports. Overall, with a slowdown in private demand, this report indicates an economy that is transitioning to more steady, sustainable growth. This path is consistent with one that eases inflationary pressures while maintaining the labor market progress of the past 18 months. While our economy has been resilient in the face of numerous shocks over the past 2 years, I should also stress that there are numerous risks on the horizon, many of them global, that we remain highly attuned to. They include the outcome of the war in Ukraine, COVID lockdowns in China, and pandemic-related supply chain snarls. These factors make predicting the future difficult, and we must be clear-eyed and vigilant about the threats they pose. But we cannot lose sight of the remarkable progress we have made from the depths of the pandemic and the tremendous resilience our economy has shown, thanks to the hard work and perseverance of American workers, families, and businesses, as well as effective policy. This progress gives us a solid foundation to confront the challenges ahead of us, and I believe that in the months to come, with skill and luck, it's possible to maintain that strength,
Did you say fucking luck?
particularly in the labor market, while easing the tightness that has driven inflation. And with that, I'd be happy to take your questions.
She's a dumb.
Hi, thank you, Secretary. Regardless of whether or not we're in a recession, and you seem to be indicating not, many Americans are feeling some pain right now. And the last time we had to tame inflation at this level was the early 1980s, and it took 2 years to do that. Do you anticipate that this fight against inflation will be a long and grinding one like the early 80s, or will it be faster? And do we need to see some job losses in order to bring that inflation rate down? Thank you.
So with respect to how Americans are feeling about the economy, they're experiencing great stress from high inflation. We simply haven't seen anything like this since the 1970s, and seeing what's happening to food prices and energy prices and rent and other prices in the economy is making families very concerned about their household budgets. They want to see it end. And this is pressure that's real, that we recognize, and it's the president's top priority to bring inflation down. I think the key job here is the Federal Reserves. They're clearly moving to address that and have indicated their commitment to bring it down. This is a very unusual situation in that coming out of the pandemic, we have a set of supply chain challenges that continue to affect the economy. An example being the ongoing shortage of semiconductors that's holding back production of vehicles. And it's hard to know just what the time frame is for those supply chain pressures to resolve and to ease. I think there are some positive signs that we're seeing that suggest that inflation is likely to come down in the days ahead, but the proof of the pudding will be in the eating. But the Fed is taking the right measures. The administration and Congress are taking very important supplementary measures. As I mentioned, the releases from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve that have been one factor working to bring down gas prices. and the legislation that will make an enormous difference to prescription drug prices and serve to hold healthcare costs down. The investments in energy and to address climate change will, over time, improve greatly our sense of security about energy and make us much less vulnerable to global shocks. And as you know, we're working with our allies on a price cap to avoid further upward pressure on oil and gas prices.
Thank you very much. Chris Condon from Bloomberg News. I'd like to follow up on David's question by asking you specifically, do you think it will be necessary for unemployment to rise above 5% in order for inflation to reach the Fed's longer run target of 2%? Thank you.
Well, I believe, as I've said, that there is a path to bring down inflation while maintaining a strong labor market. And most estimates of the natural rate of unemployment are lower than 5%. Now, it's not a certainty that that can be done, but I believe there is a path to accomplishing that. And as Chair Powell has said repeatedly, that would be his objective, to try to accomplish that. And I would consider that a good outcome as well. Clearly, we are seeing a slowing in the economy and in demand.
Clearly.
That's appropriate and necessary to transition from rapid growth and recovery from a serious job shortfall to now a very strong labor market. We need to see a slowdown in growth. We are seeing that. I do believe there's a path by which we maintain a strong labor market like that.
Here comes again, dude.
Hamara Mook with the Wall Street Journal. Madam Secretary, could you say a little bit more about how you believe the Inflation Reduction Act would impact inflation? How much do you believe that package would subtract from inflation, and over what time frame?
So I don't have numerical estimates for you, but I see that as making a very important contribution to lowering the cost of prescription drugs, which is for many households a very severe burden on their household budgets. This is something that policymakers and members of Congress have sought to accomplish for many, many years, and it's a great achievement if it can become law and will certainly help. And with respect to healthcare premiums, the funding that's provided there is going to be important in holding down health insurance costs for many Americans. So these are two important contributions that we should see come into play as soon as the legislation is passed and put into effect. Beyond that, there is deficit reduction in the bill, and over time, that I see deficit reduction as an appropriate accompaniment to the policy changes the Fed is putting into effect.
Secretary Yellen, in today's GDP report, we saw very high nominal GDP growth. How does that high level of growth jibe with the idea that the economy is slowing? And does it suggest that the economy is going to have to slow down at an even more aggressive pace in order to get back to 2% inflation?
Well, I mean, we had high nominal GDP growth because inflation is high, and that shows up in the GDP deflator. Real growth was
I'll show you a
reported
deflator,
in
Janet.
this advance report as a negative number, and that's a better metric to look at in assessing the overall performance of the economy. So I see the last several quarters as exhibiting a significant slowdown in the pace of spending in the economy. And when you look at the details in terms of spending components, we're in a period where there's very significant fiscal drag. Government spending made a negative contribution to GDP. We saw a negative contribution this quarter, huge from inventories. But importantly, consumer spending remains positive, but definitely the real data, to my mind, show that there is a slowdown in progress. And the labor market right now is extremely tight, and maybe the source of some of the inflationary pressure, certainly not all of it by any means. Food and energy are a very important contributor. Supply chain problems relating to the pandemic and what's happening in China, those are important. But we've got 2 job vacancies for every unemployed person, which is a level of tightness in the labor market that we really, I don't think, have ever seen historically. And the slowdown in the economy, coupled hopefully with a restoration of somewhat higher level, a rebound in labor force participation. We're not sure if that will occur, but beginning to take some of the tightness out of the labor market while maintaining overall a strong labor market. I think that's a plan to bring down inflation.
Thank you so much, Madam Secretary. Kayla Tausche from CNBC. Is there such a thing as a mild or a partial recession, as some have suggested? And if so, what would that look like? And second, are you committed to staying in this role until growth and inflation stabilize?
I will stay in this role as long as
This is a clown show.
President Biden finds my contributions to be useful. I serve at his pleasure. And well,
Jack Davis, thanks for the super, buddy.
Part of the question was mild recession. Well, sure, recessions are different, and we had an extremely severe recession following the global financial crisis when unemployment rose to around 10%, and it took really a decade for the economy to get back to full employment. We've had milder recessions, certainly, than that. There's usually been a significant increase in the unemployment rate, but they do differ. And, this is a very unusual situation where we have a slowdown. The labor market remains very tight.
This is a clown show, bro.
Spy
making new fucking highs.
Mild easing of pressures in the labor market, and yet continue to feel we've got a good, strong labor market that's operating in full employment.
Thanks. Secretary Ellen Neil Irwin from Axios. There's been a big run up in the dollar in the last few months in currency markets. That's especially hard on emerging markets. Do you believe the degree of dollar appreciation we've seen so far is appropriate? Do you fear it's gone too far? And should we be worried about kind of feedback loops and negative effects on the global economy?
Well, thanks for that question. I mean, there certainly has been a significant appreciation of the dollar. I think part of it is driven by interest rate differentials between the United States and other countries as we've moved to tighten monetary policy more quickly. It's attracted capital inflows into the United States that have pushed up the dollar. And that's typically something that occurs in cycles of monetary policy tightening. I think we've also seen some risk-off, safe haven type flows into the dollar that have
It's gonna make new highs, bro.
exacerbated that. I am worried about the global outlook. The IMF and World Bank have, on several occasions now, downgraded the outlook. A strong dollar creates, for some of those countries, pressures pressures on their economies, especially when there's dollar-denominated debt that becomes harder to pay off. So rising interest rate, strong dollar environment can create pressures in other parts of the world, especially at a time when all of us are suffering from the impacts of Putin's war that are driving up energy and food prices and creating real burdens on most countries around the world, and particularly the lowest income countries. We are seeing more countries that are likely to experience debt distress. So this is a stressful environment for many countries around the world. Some countries are benefiting from higher commodity prices, though, so it's an offset and it differs. But you asked about self-reinforcing cycles, and I don't see that occurring at this point. I don't see that kind of distress developing anywhere that I'm aware of.
Thank you. Jeff Stein with the Washington Post. The polling shows that most Americans feel like we're in a recession. Why have this drawn out semantic battle? The administration has been
It's not a feeling.
to define a recession a certain way. Why have this semantic battle, especially when so many Americans feel like they were last year? Especially given the chance that things could again change and we could actually recession by the definitions that you're outlining. Why has this become this battle?
So I agree with you, and I think we should avoid a semantic battle. I've tried to do that in my remarks today. When you say that Americans are very concerned about the economy, I think their biggest concern is with inflation and high prices that they feel they can't afford to put gas in their gas tank, and people are worried about their retirement savings and whether or not they'll have enough to retire. Now,
this is ridiculous.
Sometimes people use the word recession to refer to that. That's really about inflation. But I think that the discomfort that households feel, it's not because of the job market. Jobs are readily available, and most Americans feel good about their employment prospects. Layoffs have been low. Some may worry that the economy, that the labor market will weaken, but I think the biggest burden that's weighing negatively on household sentiment is inflation, and that's why that is our top priority in terms of addressing that. So when you look at the economy, the official arbiter of what is a recession is going to be the National Bureau of Economic Research.
Fuck 'em.
They'll decide it sometime in the future.
No, they won't.
So I think what we can
Fucking
constructively do is talk about what is the state of the economy. And as I've tried to describe, the labor market remains exceptionally strong. That is not what we see in past episodes that the NBER has labeled to be recession. On the other hand, we do see significant slowdown in growth. That's to be expected given how rapidly the economy grew when it was recovering from the pandemic and all of those job losses, and policy was designed to do that. We should expect to see a slowdown. This economy is at full employment. So we have a slowing economy. We have a whole variety of risks to the outlook that I've tried to enumerate. But we have great strengths in the economy.
Janet can use a lot of big words, but you can't say fucking recession.
Consumer household balance sheets remain generally quite strong. Credit quality is strong. You do not see some significant increase in business bankruptcies, the typical kinds of distress we associated with the word recession. But I agree, we shouldn't just get involved in the semantics. Let's talk about what's going on. Thank you.
I think that's it. All right, that's it, man. That's it. Freaking Janet coming in here, pumping the SPY. Okay, so I mean, I flipped a couple of SPY calls back there for like 5%. I was like, this is just drunk. I'm now no more done. No, I mean, done for the day. So this is really, really, really drunk, people. So again, I mean, it's gonna do what it's gonna do. Watch SPY going into the end of the day. We have earnings coming up later too, so you could see a little bit more buying going into earnings. Be careful, man. I mean, this is a pretty wild day. What were those noises she was making? That's a camera, bro. It was like I have a pretty good Janet impression too. Inflation and the recessionary period. It's not bad. 105% on SPY call, 68% on AMD. Fuck yeah, Justin, atta boy, dude. It's a rim day. It is a rim day today, team. So let's see what we're going to get going into the end of the day. Woo! Fucking crazy, man. Absolutely crazy day. Now time for puts. Janet's gone. It's not confirming yet. It could just come down and rim on the 5 like we've seen it do. We haven't been below the 5-minute 13 since 10:50, 11 o'clock this morning. What up, Vix? What's up, Todd? How you doing? Yeah, guys. Also, if you guys haven't already, hit that like button on the way in over here. Helps out a whole lot with the algos. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you, guys. We're almost at 600. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Blow my speakers when you start yelling. Hey, that's just part of the experience around here. You're gonna get your ears blown out. I'll wake you up every now and then when I feel like something is worth Janet yelling about. So let's see. SPY's fucking around here. I wish I understood how you guys saw SPY was good for a call. I thought put. Jarnell, aren't you in the Discord with us? Look, cross up. Boom. Right here. Bing. Cross up above the 200 EMA. Ride. If you had balls of steel, you could have ridden this thing the entire way up here, which I should have done. I just didn't. I was taking quick gains today because we saw Monday and Tuesday it was scalp city. So I'm still up like 3.74% on my account today, which is good. Really good. Could have been a lot better. But again, you have to think about it too. It could have just reversed and it could have gone a lot worse too. I mean, we saw where it was headed, where it was most likely going to go. I was really looking for that previous day's high. So back here, 402.88. Those levels, it broke and just started running right around high of the day, 406.41 right now. This thing is freaking ripping. Baba puts this morning went burr. Dude, those were nasty too. I was up like 44% on those Baba puts. Those were nasty. And again, Jarnell, if you do want to hop in there with us, and if you're not in there, because I thought you were, here's the link right there. We're the only place that's really, really teaching real retail investors how to trade. And we have a lot of success doing it. All the members in the chat today, I mean, you guys see them in here, just absolutely slaughtering it. If you're interested, come check us out. Why does your chart not show cross down before a call? It does right here. Cross down, cross up. It's just kind of hard to see with this right here. So it crossed down in the morning, then it crossed back up. Let's see. Very successful day over there. There you go, Luigi. I still have a SPY 402 call I've been holding since $3.99. Thank you, Make It Free. Dude, that Make It Free strategy that we talk about too is fire. It's free. It's house money. You were up 300% on the Baba puts? Jesus, bro. Where did these come from? Do you hold them overnight? That's kind of wild. I flipped them this morning. I mean, I was late on it, but Baba was dirty. We lagging out over here? Nah, we're good now. Are you live in the morning? In the Discord, I am, yeah. Every day, not 8:45 to 10, and we're probably going to extend that a little bit soon to 10:30, so you'll get an extra half hour of me. And then I come on publicly at 11. But my sweet spot for trading is between like 9:45 and 11. 200% on SPX calls. Finally, something good. There you go. 150% gains on Ford. Yeah, all you 1348 people in here, let them know. How you guys doing today? How you guys doing? You guys doing good? Let the people know. Let's see. Would have gotten in early with Trader Joe. Yeah, our algorithms are firing off too. Dude, we're firing on all cylinders over here. We will take the extra half hour. Yeah, it'll come soon. 12% on the portfolio from Bjorn. Pretty good. 2 for 3. Printing. Portfolio up 7.25%. Woo! Another 47% on SoFi. P&L up 30%. Jesus, bro. You guys are slaughtering it, man. P&L only up 16%. That's still really good. Hell yeah, 60% on Baba Puts. 55% on Tesla this morning. Dude, our people fucking crush it. I love it. 11%. Jesus. P&L up 23% today. Guys, you're killing it. I love it. 20% on Facebook. Nice. Yeah, I wasn't on that one. That was a nice one. 28% on TT&T calls. Dude, you guys are all doing awesome over here, man. Made $500 on AMD today. You're done. 27 on a Baba Put. Fuck yeah, dude. Woo! All right, guys. Yeah, if you guys are interested in hopping in, there you go. Am I getting burnt out on AMC being sluggish? No, it's just it's not doing anything. So why? Like, what am I going to stare at this all day when there's other money to be made? No. Luigi, love that, buddy. That is awesome, man. Over 100% profit on Tesla puts this morning. Took your profits and ran. Done for the day. Jessica, nice. Look at you guys killing it. Look at you guys killing it. 5-minute rimmer, we're going down. We'll see. We'll see. Thomas, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Any news on NVIDIA? Let's take a look. No news on NVIDIA, really. What's the 13 on the 5? 405.37. Let's see. You guys also get these charts too when you come in. 405.36. Same thing. Made $200 today. 390% total take today on trades. Dude. You guys are killing it, man. Look at all you guys that came in there and trusted the system and really took advantage of it, man. I love that. Just made 200 at your first job. Headed to do one more. Done for the day. Up near $5,000. Good day, dude. Again, guys, if you missed the link coming through, it's up in the top of the live chat. Come in there. It's not just alerts, dude. The alerts are actually useless if you don't know how to use them, which is what we really put a heavy emphasis on. The curriculum, the live streams, everything. So if you guys are interested, hop in. If you want to keep trying to white knuckle it yourself, definitely can do that. Portfolio up 24%, dude. I love it. I love it, man. Good job, guys. You're up 75 grand on ETC? Fuck yeah, dude. John. Up $780 today while getting desk work done. Awesome day. Fuck yeah. VWAP, you'll get there, buddy. Make sure you're trying to follow the rules. Let's see. Making some moves on your account. Count up 21% today. Damn, son. Damn. You guys are killing it. So here you guys go. Bing. Let's see. You like HKT? Yeah. Jeremy, don't spam. Don't you do it. Let's see. Should you be stopping out earlier for gains only 4 to 7? Yeah, I think. Yeah, maybe. I would get more time. I think I would get more time. Had to sell your SPY puts at a loss. It happens. It happens. Trading makes you love going to work on Monday. Dude, that's 100% true. Oh, we're 5 likes away from 600. I appreciate that, team. Web Twerp, thanks for being a member, buddy. I appreciate that. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I feel like you were one at previously. Do you still do the one-on-ones? Rarely do we do them because we've set up the whole learning curriculum for you guys that takes you from 0 if you know nothing about options all the way up through 1348 and some of the key aspects of technical analysis. We also do those 55 private live streams a month for you guys. The one-on-ones are more rare now. Let's see. Oh, you guys hit it. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that, team. Netflix knifing? Nah, not really. It's still above the 200 here. Web twerp. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. You're on the fence about joining. Is it worth it if I only have a couple days a week to devote to trading? I mean, I would say yes, but again, you're going to get out of it what you're able to put in. So you are going to need to spend some time doing it. Netflix is coming down now. Yeah, on the 1 minute. Yeah, it looks like it is. Where's SPY? SPY's not doing it here. You need SPY cracking down below this 5-minute 13. Netflix is coming down though. Meta is garbage. We had some nice trades on Meta this morning, man. Some real nice trades. So you're going to average down, Jared. That's a little silly. Be careful. SPY's not doing it yet. Not bounced, see? Time is the key. I've been screaming it from the rooftops. More time, more time, more time, more time. Unless you are really, really, really locked in on your entries and in supported resistance levels, you need like at least a week out. Let's see. All right. Let's see. All right, team. So here's what we're going to do. I got a couple videos I got to make for you guys. So again, we are going to be wrapping up the streams a little bit earlier these days. So I'm going to be hopping off in a little while here. Just a little warning. And then you'll probably have 2 videos out of me tonight. Let's see. Netflix being a little fucker. Invictus videos. There will be an Invictus play in the video. There might be a few, actually. Okay, so get ready for those. Hold on. Let's see. All right. Let's see here. Let's see. This guy talks too much. Let's see. Play the 5-minute, but respect the larger time frame. That can give you an indication of where price is going to go that day. So it's like an initial. It's like it creates your bias. Let's see. All right, team. Let's see here. All right. Amy bouncing on. Amy's just hanging around that too. Not just doing nothing, man. Doing absolutely nothing today. Let's see. All right. Here is what we are going to do, people. I got to head out. Got some videos to make for you guys for later. So, people, watch out for earnings later. I'll see you guys on the live stream tomorrow morning at 8:45 Eastern for all you premium people. All right, team. So, I will see you guys a little bit later. Again, if you guys do want to hop in there with us, you guys see it in the live chats all the time. We're empowering retail investors like never before. The amount of people that are printing with this, if you take a look through the gains channel today, even if you're in the free section, you can see just the amount of just slaughtering of the market that we're doing. So here's that link right there, people. Again, hit that like button on the way out. Make sure you guys have notifications turned on for the videos later. Other than that, people, I'll see you guys later. Peace.